The GEORGII KOBOLD KSV 1030 driver unit by GEORGII KOBOLD engineered for peak performance with a robust max of 10 and a top speed of 10,500 per minute. The GEORGII KOBOLD KSV 1030 1M2K 1 per second 50 ohm per second ADRIV ERUNIT see it is perfectly suited for high performance applications. Discover the GEORGII KOBOLD KSV 1030 1M2K 1 per second 50 ohm per second ADRIV ERUNIT, achieving speeds up to 10,500 per minute. It is ideal for demanding applications. This high-performance unit stands out with its robust current capacity and exceptional speed capabilities. A unit current for high performance with capacity, demanding driver powerful ideal applications. Achieving speeds up to 10,500 RPM, it ensures rapid and efficient performance. Perfect for challenging applications, this driver unit combines precision with power, making it an essential asset for your business needs. The mastermind behind our product, renowned for its excellence in crafting high-quality industrial equipment. With a legacy of innovation and precision, this company stands as a trusted leader in the industry. Their unwavering commitment to quality ensures every product is built to perform, offering reliability and efficiency for your business needs. Thank you for watching.